How to edit videos in Canva PC. First of all, open Canva and make sure you are logged in. Open the video project you want to edit or create a new video project by clicking the Create or Design button and selecting Video. Once your project opens, you can start editing by selecting the video clip on the canvas. Canva allows you to trim, cut, or split video clips to adjust the timing and remove unwanted parts. You can also add text, titles, or captions to your video by clicking on text in the left-hand panel. Customize fonts, colors, and sizes to make your text match your video style. To enhance your video, click on elements to add shapes, stickers, icons, or animations. You can also adjust the background, filters, and brightness to improve the visual appearance of your video. If your video includes audio, you can add music, sound effect, or voiceovers by going to audio in the left-hand panel or uploading your own audio files. Adjust the volume, fade in or fade out, and synchronize the audio with your video clips. You can also reorder clips in the timeline by dragging them and add transitions between clips to make your video flow smoothly. Preview your video by clicking the play button to make sure everything looks and sounds perfect. Now you know how to edit videos in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.